guys, we're at what I forgot.
A car show near our town. Well, let's go a little bit higher.
We can see everything.
So a couple cool ones are coming up. Look at this Jeep. With all the lights. Oh my goodness. Oh, those duckies in the window, Hayden.
100,600,000. Sorry, you ready? There's even duckies right there.
Whoa, look at that. It's pretty cool.
There's duckies everywhere.
Cool, huh, Hayden? Look at all the duckies inside.
That's funny.
That's a funny one. Oh, look at this old ambulance. All right.
I already saw these already.
Yeah, we're gonna go back and show everybody, right? We gotta go get something to eat. It is packed here.
Is that the whole thing?
Look at this. We got.
What that is? Is that
An ambulance.
Does that have like a ball or something? That have
No, that's the bookstore. The bookstore. Look at that.
The
All the
bookstore?
yeah. Look at the ambulance stuff. Don't touch it, but look, that's a bed somebody would lay on. And,
How is this so small?
oh, look at this, guys. Look at this.
The door is actually open.
Yeah. Yep. All right, let's go look at the. Show them the one thing. Okay, come here.
Let's look inside.
We'll look inside. All right. Look inside. Creepy. Look at this. Oh my God! What is that?
Skeleton.
It's definitely getting close to Halloween now, huh?
Yeah.
All right, let's check it out.
That's actually from Spirit's Halloween.
From Halloween. What movie? Beetlejuice.
I think it's Beetlejuice.
That's so funny.
You think so?
Yep. All right, come on, let's go back. Look at this one. This one's a pretty cool one.
We're also closer to Spirit.
Yeah, look at this one.
What is that name now?
Look at that. Oh, look at this nice truck. I like the color. All right. Oh my goodness, so many cars. How many cars do you think's here tonight?
1,000.
Oh, look at this car. It's pretty cool. This is really neat.
2,600 billion thousand.
That's probably it. Look at this car, Hayden. All right. They have races, so like remote control race cars over there.
Wait, you can play on them?
I think I have to pay for it. I don't know. Another yellow car. All these old cars and trucks. Radio? Oh, that one. Jesus said it's finished. Uh-oh, look, Hayden. Who's in there? Sonic. Sonic's in there.
I think that's Sonic's car.
That might be Sonic's car, yeah. All
He
right.
might go fast.
That's probably one of the fastest cars here, huh?
Yeah.
Ooh,
He
nice.
goes very fast.
Nice one. Nice. Trucks. Oh, I like the purple. What do you think about the purple?
Do you know?
Oh, look! Look! What? Whoa! Let's see if there's anything inside that shows anything. Come here. Don't touch anything. Oh, wow. That's pretty cool.
It's so old.
Yeah, they're always the best ones. They look nice, right? Older cars are nice, trust me. Yeah, I know. I already seen that one. All right, come on. Let's show everybody else the other ones. We got, oh, this one, 1964 Mustang. Love how they have all this information on here. This little van, Hayden. Should we just get this little one for you?
Yeah.
Whoa. Ooh, I like this color. It actually looks blue here, but actually it's like a purple color. Don't you like it? The Mustang. Oh, the back. It's got nice. Don't touch. Oh, look at that.
Then we will be rich, right?
Yeah, when we're rich, we're gonna get that. We just have to get rich to get it. Oh, look at this one, Hayden. Look. Who is it? Who's on there? Oh my God, there's Georgie. Oh, nice.
Where's this car from?
From somebody that owns it.
Can we look inside to see if they have anything?
I don't think they have anything else in there that's... Yeah, that's pretty cool, huh? Look, the steering wheel is back there. You can take it off. Hey, go around. Don't touch the car. Don't touch the car. Stay right here. Yeah, don't even have to touch the car. Steering wheel. Steering wheel is right there.
Why? You put it off.
Because you can. Pretty cool. Yellow truck. See the yellow truck, Hayden?
That one?
Wow, look at that. Whoa, look at this one, Hayden. Look at that, Hayden. That's pretty cool, ain't it? Alright. I'm sorry. Look at these trucks and everything. Look at that one. Look at that, Hayden. Oh, look at that. That's a military Jeep. Alright, so it's hard to see with the light. But let's check out all the cars. Look at that one with all the lights, Hayden. That's pretty cool. It's a Mustang. Pretty cool, right?
Do you want to sit in it?
Do you want to sit in it?
Have Mom take your picture?
Yeah.
Say yes, please.
You don't
Oh.
have gum or candy on you, do you?
No, he doesn't do gum and he doesn't do candy.
All right, I love you.
Do
Oh,
bubble gum.
there you go. Check it out, Hayden.
Come have a seat, my man.
Go ahead. Don't leave me here by myself either, okay?
Can my mom come in?
No, you go in by yourself,
But I
buddy.
think she wants to take the picture.
Yeah, I want to take a picture, buddy.
So step in, my man. Very courteous to ask about your mom. I appreciate that very much.
All right, sit back.
Sit back. I'm going to close the door on you, okay?
All
Hands on
right.
the steering wheel like you're driving away like you're just robbed the bank and
There he goes. He's leaving me for good.
you're videoing too.
Yeah,
Okay,
he has his own little channel, so
Oh, very cool.
this car is pretty awesome.
All the more awesome because he's sitting in it.
Yes. Hey, Hayden.
Wait, it didn't
Didn't even know. Ask him what kind of car is it in the year?
came out.
It was 2018.
2018. Pretty cool. I didn't even see that. Good job, Hayden. I didn't even see that. And that's all the
You don't like
information.
it too?
That came out.
Oh my goodness, look.
That came out in 2014.
Yep. Oh, look.
This came out in 2016, like when my cousin Danny was born.
Oh yeah, your cousin Danny was born.
The next year.
Yeah, that's pretty cool, huh? Oh my God, what is it? Look to your left, Hayden. What is this? What is this? Oh my gosh, classics. Yeah,
There's like
classic.
something on top.
Oh, look at the side of this, Hayden. Oh, this is the one we seen at near our house.
This?
Yes, look. Remember that one? We seen this at the house.
We just saw the back of it?
But we didn't get to see the back of it. Oh, that is pretty cool. I'll be back. Nobody can see it, but that is pretty cool. It says, I'll be back.
That was, and wasn't it?
Oh, cool. Oh, that one has another lights. Oh my God, look, Hayden. Look. No way. Check it out, guys. Who's that, Hayden?
Salad. That's that's my Mr. Doubt's favorite car.
Oh, cool. It's a 2022 Camaro 2 SS.
It came out last
Oh, cool, look. Don't
Came
touch,
out
because
last
look
year.
at the side, Hayden. What? Cool, dude.
There's no sound.
Cool. Oh, I like it. It has the purple as well. Watch your feet. Oh, there he is again. That is a pretty cool car. What does everybody think of this one? That's pretty cool. Oh, look at it! Look at the thing, and it looks like there's her door. Her door is right there.
And
I
look,
just realized it. Yes, I know the sticker. Oh, that's pretty cool. And then His license plate says Sully. That's awesome. That's kind of like one of my favorite cars. This one has eyes, Hayden. Check this one out.
Creepy.
It has eyes, Hayden. It has eyes. Oh my gosh. What? Look, it's over there. Wow, this is pretty cool. Back up. Pretty cool. All right, let's move on. All right, what else can we show them? All right. Oh, look, they got their little bike attached to it.
There's a car that's set up like that.
Like a tribute car.
All right. So we got some cool cars here, guys. Look at this one, Hayden. It's gonna bite you. Just don't go close. It's gonna bite you.
What?
It actually looks like teeth, guys. Oh, that's so cool.
Can you actually protect him?
Now, come on.
Did you get the,
Yep, just don't touch, okay?
Look at the door.
Yeah, they go up the other way, huh? Pretty cool, right, bud? Get us, Sydney. We got this nice car here. All right, we got some bikes. Let's get back over here. We seen these earlier, but we didn't do a video, did we? So, got there. A nice little bike right there. All right, all right. All right, we got. That's nice, Hayden. Don't touch. Oh, look at that. Got the other lights light up so you can see everything. 1964 Mustang, it looks like. Awesome. This is the Motorsports Park. Oh, this is the official race car your dad wants to go in. What?
This is a wheel.
Yep, this is where your dad wants to race. Alright, check them out, guys. Alright, here we go. We got one of the motor cars.
oh yeah.
So now we're back over here on this other side where we kind of started.
Always goes to events and grand opening experience.
Yeah, we're gonna show Chucky on a different little video.
For only Halloween.
Yep. All right. So here you go. We got some more cars coming up, guys. Slow down. Slow down. Oh, look at that one. Look at that paint job. Pretty cool. Cool, cool, cool.
I just need to find one statue. I didn't find them yet.
A little car matches this car.
4, now it's 1 more.
They have, let's go over here and we check out everything else that they have. They have the band playing. And then they have a bunch of other things going on. Everybody dancing. It's a good event, right, Hayden? Ooh, look at this one, Hayden. And it's yellow. What? Oh, wow. Wow, I love that. That's awesome, Hayden. Let's check out the, oh, look. That is so cool.
Please?
Let's check out the other side. Oh my goodness. Home of the free because of the brave. Check out over here.
I see a statue.
Oh wow, this is really nice. Really nice. See if there's anything on the back end of it. Got a little thing on the middle. Let's go all the way in the back of it, just in case. You never know, they might have something on the back. Oh, yes they do. Oh, I love it. That is pretty cool. Okay, this one has lights inside. Alright, keep going. Wow, look at that. Ooh, that's a nice one. The truck's pretty cool. Look at the paint job on the truck. Wow, look at that. It's like a crazy skeleton horse, Hayden. It's hard for you to see with skeleton heads at the bottom. Alright, we'll come up here and then we're pretty much done, I think. This will be kind of like the last one. We have a bunch over there, but we're just going to finish. This one's going to be our last one.
This one?
Yep.
We're getting the past.
Yeah, this one's the last one. It's like a motorcycle one, okay? And this shows how it goes. Hello. And this shows how it goes. There you go.
Hello.
Hello. Oh my goodness, look, Hayden.
It's the car.
There's a car, yup. And then that was actually, it was trying to run you over earlier, didn't it? Pretty cool, huh? It's all downstairs with the lights.
I actually went all the way.
We did 7 levels walking up the steps. High five.
Bye. Please subscribe to see more Sweet Halloween.
And if you keep watching, later on we have a video of a little puppy that needs his forever home. Please watch, right?
Mm-hmm.
Do you remember his name?
No.
It was Larry. Please check Larry out, okay?
Yeah. Subscribe for Larry.
Subscribe for Larry. There you go.
Mom. That's how high we are up. I'll be back.